Welcome to our 2018 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper look into the 7 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there's a link below in the description. And make sure you check out our previous videos in the series as well. Today we're taking a deep dive into the social network trend. Just like we are hyper connected with each other online, our gardens like to be intermingled as well. Walk through a forest and you'll see that almost every bit of soil is covered with interlocking plants. Trees are covered with moss and the ground is covered with shrubs and grasses. Everything is working in perfect harmony. So why do we think our garden should be any different? We need to shift our thinking from looking at plants as individuals to thinking of plants as a community or social network. For those who enjoy a bit more hands-off approach, once plant communities are established and a network is created, it can take the stress of maintenance out and welcome the ease of management. Here are some tips to create a social network in your garden. Wherever there is bare soil, plant native grasses such as sedge to keep the flow from soil to sky. Try planting in ecotones by using plants that work in harmony in order to increase communal living. Plants that look and feel good together will thrive in any garden. Just like your social media profile, everyone can put their personality in their garden. If you want to add some color and life to your plant community, try adding things like golden groundsel, rhizomatous strawberries, or woodland poppies. There's no shortage to the flair you can add. Let us know in the comments what makes up your social network. For more information about our trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else we have to offer at gardenmediagroup.com.